Okay guys, for today's video, I'm making tuna pesto pasta. I got onion and garlic and mushroom and pesto and all-purpose cream. Lagyan natin. Okay guys, lagyan natin ng black pepper. Okay. And then yung okay guys, lagyan natin yung pasta. Then guys, lagyan natin ng basil leaves. Then lagay ko yung shrimp on top. Okay guys, my tuna pesto pasta with shrimp is done. I'll put some cheese, okay, on top. Thanks for watching guys. Bye-bye. God bless. Okay guys, lagyan natin ng basil on top. Okay. And then, a little bit of cheese.